So the reason that solar can make sense for any household, because we're in an own versus rent scenario right now. So would you rent a vehicle for more or the same as what you're paying to own a vehicle? Most likely not. But we're doing it with electricity because there was the only option we had is paying the utility company rental fees or usage fees every single month till the day that we died. So with solar, you can purchase today's price for the solar and use the best source of energy that we have on Earth, which is the sun, to create the electricity for essentially free and getting rid of the handcuffs from the energy landlord that we are currently stuck with. The reason that Alberta makes so much sense for solar is because Edmonton and Calgary are both within the top 5 cities in all of Canada that has the best sun exposure, meaning that you actually need less panels to absorb the same amount that you would in, say, Vancouver. At Horizon, basically one of the things that we like to do is find the best product and software to make it more efficient for your home. So we use tier 1 products using a PERC panel, which actually absorbs the sun, and anything that gets through goes back into the panel again to make it more efficient. We also use Solar Edge, which is revered across the world as the best inverters, and we add optimizers to make sure that you maximize your usage that saves your family money.